As their name implies, a red dwarf is small, no bigger than half the size of the Sun. They are also very dim. The brightest known red dwarf has only 10% of the luminosity of the Sun, and they generate as little as 1/10,000th of the energy. The smallest among them are barely able to shine at all. These smaller red dwarf stars, those that are a mere 7.5% the size of the Sun, are the smallest objects in the universe able to shine by the process of nuclear fusion. But their small size and dim luminosity has one big advantage. Red dwarf stars live the longest. Relative to all other stars in the sky, they are immortal. Their lifetimes extend into the trillions of years. They will live roughly 1,000 times longer than the Sun, and 100,000 times longer than most giants. Red dwarfs live so long because they burn their hydrogen fuel slower than brighter stars. They are of such small size and generate so little energy, they can fuse their hydrogen more efficiently. To understand why, we need to look at what's underneath the surface.
At least 70% of stars in the universe are red dwarfs. They are the tiniest stars out there, with only about 7 to 50% of the mass of our Sun, not that much bigger than our planet Jupiter, which is still huge though. They are also very dim. It's impossible to see them with the naked eye. You've never seen one in the night sky. Even with all our technology, we can only clearly observe red dwarfs in our neighborhood. Approximately 20 of the 30 stars close to Earth are red dwarfs. Like all stars, red dwarfs fuse hydrogen into helium. But while more massive stars accumulate all the fused helium in their cores, red dwarfs stay convective, meaning that the helium and hydrogen constantly mix. So they use up their fuel incredibly slowly before they're extinguished. Red dwarfs burn so slowly that their average lifespan is between 1 and 10 trillion years. By comparison, the Sun will survive for another 5 billion years.